Got the new to me anyway, Palmgren Vise with swivel base, mounted and trammed on the mill. It's gonna be a whole lot easier with a vise crank there, handle crank. I was getting awful tired of using that 5/8 inch wrench. But it took me quite a while to get it trammed in. I was trying to tram it from end to end, and instead of from the center to each end, I couldn't figure out why I was having such a hard time until I realized the pivot points in the center instead of on the either end like it is when you're doing a conventional vise. Maybe that'll help somebody.